However, she's not perfect. What she said yesterday to Simpiwe, people are praising her, saying that she is a good mother, a best mother. If it was said by Musamseleko, what Umangwabe said to Simpiwe, we were going to drag Musamseleko, calling Musamseleko a horrible man, a bad stepfather, but yes, he doesn't love Simpiwe. Guys, what do you expect from Musamseleko, guys? If you had opportunity to choose between your stepchild and your biological child, the guys, come on, let's not act as if we don't know what is going on. We live in a real world, guys. The things like this, they do happen. As a woman, if you choose a man, what do you mean? You are the problem as a mother. You need to make decision for ingane. And that's when you decided to stay. You had opportunity to walk away. So guys, it's a good thing that Mangwabe told Simpiwe that's not his home, and it is better to hear it from his mom, so that when Musamseleko decide to be mean about it, he'll be able to handle it better because his mom told him so. Yesterday on the season 9, Umangwabe and Simpiwe, they're having a conversation. She was asking, what's going on with your life, my son? How's life? He was busy cleaning a swimming pool. Simpiwe say he's enjoying his job. It was a friend who helped him to get the job. It wasn't Makomalo, because there were a lot of rumors saying would say it was Makomalo otolele umsebenzi for ingane ya Mangwabe Nompilo, guys. And he did clarify to say, no, it was a friend of mine who gave me this job, guys. He said he wants to go to Gauteng. Mangwabe was saying about you need to use your degree. So ask your future plans for Simpiwe, guys. Do you want to get a house? Or Simpiwe ask which house, the greenest house or this one? Umangwabe replied to say this is not your home, you need to make another plan. And people are so proud of Mangwabe saying, oh God, at least Umangwabe understand the assignment. As a woman, we are very sensitive when it comes to this topic. We expect Musamseleko to choose Simpiwe over Mpumelelo because Mpumelelo is a troubled child or snake, guys. It can never happen, no matter how good Simpiwe he is. He's a good boy doing so well. There's no way Musamseleko can choose Simpiwe over Lwandle. Some of the things as women we need to take accountability. We put ourselves in situation and then we're gonna blame this man, saying about you have seen red flag, you decided to stay. So people are saying at least Umangwabe, she's making sure ingane yakhe has a better future. She made sure Mrs. Kolweni Simpiwe has a degree. So in life yaka Simpiwe, guys, it's safe right now, guys. Umangwabe did say she's the one who calls Simpiwe to come and stay with her, guys. Simpiwe does not like ukuhlala emzini wakamseleko, guys. I think Umangwabe comes from a respectful family, guys. They understand some of the things. It might be sensitive to a lot of people because we expect what we see on social media. Social media is not really, guys. A lot of women are going through a lot. What happens if you die, leave your kids? This man will kick your kids out. So it's better they stay home. You build future for them. If you really love this man, because we cannot choose for you, guys. We cannot say choose your kids over your man. Choose your. People do whatever they makes them happy, guys. So tell me in the conversation, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself.